Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in learning how to use the EGW Writings app on the Mac OS operating system. Now, the Mac OS operating system, we have two apps. We have our older version, which is from version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then version 7 we have for the M1 Mac series. So this app is the one that I'm demonstrating today. I'm on a MacBook Pro 13 and it's running the Big Sur version. I'm not running Monterey yet, but I may go to that in the future. So if you notice that I'm on Big Sur, then you'll see that that's what I have running in the background, because when I go to log in, you're going to see the little Big Sur screen pop up. So some of you might say, hey, does it work on the Monterey? Yes, it does. And it will work on Big Sur and Monterey just fine. I'm going to teach you today how to log into the app, into our EGW Cloud. The great thing about EGW Cloud, it enables you to sync all of your content between your iPhone or your iPad and onto your MacBook. We have built into it, not using the iCloud system, we use the EGW Cloud so that it can sync between web and Android and also the Mac family. And because some people, use a Windows device, some people use a Mac, some people use iOS on their iPhone, some people use an Android. And we want to make sure that everyone can move between all the platforms and sync their content, whether it be your history of reading, your history of listening, whether it be your My Library, whether it be your search history, or whether it be your book downloads, or even your study center. Everything is stored within the cloud. And that's what EGW Cloud is for. It's for you to be able to back up your content and access it from anywhere at any time. All right, enough intro. Let's dive in. In front of me, I have opened up the EGW Writings app on my MacBook. And if it's at the screen like this and you say, well, how do I sign in? There's two ways of doing that. At the top, you can see account. You can click on up here in the menu bar, account, and then click on sign in to EGW Cloud. The other way, if you're first coming in for the first time, it's probably going to have the tree open. And in the toolbar here, this little icon that looks like a window with a line on the left-hand side is the Show High Library Contents. It will also enable you to click on the sign in to EGW Cloud. Now, if you do not have an EGW Cloud account, then you would click on sign up for EGW Cloud. You would click on this one. I already have an EGW Cloud account, so I'm going to click on this one right here. And it launches here the cPanel login. If you do not have an account, it would have taken you straight to the Register Now section. If you've forgotten your password, you can always go and reset the password by going through here. But if you have an account already, and maybe it's saved in your Mac, then you can just sign in right here. And I'm going to fill it. There we go. Now, once you've put in the email address and then you've put in your password, you must click on this one here. By logging in, you agree to our end user license agreement. We do not share any of the information. It's completely safe. We do not give it to any third party. It is your data. And at any time, you can actually go in through our system, through cPanel, and delete your data. It is there for the purpose of backing up all of your content that I mentioned before. So you've got to click on that to be able to sign in, because that's the GDPR rules. You must agree to them. And if you don't agree to them, then you can't sign in. If you want to have your password remembered, you need to click on this one as well, so that it remembers and cached into your keychain on your MacBook. Once you've done that, you can click on Login, and then you must click on Allow. And once you've done that, you are now signed in to EGW Cloud, and you have all the benefits of everything being backed up for you. So if you happen to want to wipe the application out, or you get another MacBook, or you want to sync your content, like I said before, between your iPhone and your MacBook, signing into EGW Cloud allows you to do that. All right, well, thanks for joining us. I've now shown you how to sign into the account. And in the next tutorial, we'll show you some of the things that you can do while using the EGW Cloud on your MacBook. Thanks for joining us now. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.